Alright guys, this is now on the weekend, a couple of days after the seat video we just finished off. About to put the engine together today. So I've got my brother here, gives a hand putting it together. We're going to start putting the internals in bit by bit. I'll just try and film whatever I can. And yeah, sort of show you how we're putting it together, what we're using, some of the parts we're using as well to make sure this thing is going to hold together, making, 400, 500 horsepower. Alright, so we've had the block back from machining, had all the balls redone, top decked, they pretty much acid bathed the whole thing, ready to go. We're about to start putting in the main caps in here. Bearings for that, both sides. And we do have, we've gone with the ACL's race series. So we've got some bearings here, the main bearings, got some rod bearings, just making sure everything's going to hold up, when under power, under a bit of boost. Yes, we're going to put these in now. Alright guys, got the main bearings in, assembly lube. Also got the thrust bearings also in there. And I'm about to place the crank in right now. Go forward, yep. There you go. There we go. Crank's in.
Got thrust washers still on there.
Yep. So he's in now. We'll get the next lot of washers on, put the main caps on, and then the crank will be in. Okay, so you got 3 pistons in already. About to start tightening up this one now. So these are ARP 2000 bolts and they recommend it to 55 foot-pounds. So you can see there. Main caps are in. We've got the white markings there. The factory 3RZ main cap is 39 Newton meters, plus 90 degrees. So they're all been set as well. Running the HX style ACL bearings, so they have a bit of tolerances there, obviously for the stock crank, and you can put them in without much machining. But she's coming together good, guys. Alright guys, we got the short block all assembled now. All 4 pistons are in. All tight bearings are in. There's brand new piston rings, seem to be shielding up nicely. No marks on the bores at all. Awesome. We're now going to put the ARP head studs in the top. Get it ready to put the gasket on. Alright guys, so we got done for the afternoon. Short block is fully assembled. The ARP head studs are in. They're all bottomed out by hand. Obviously that's all you need to do, bottom up by hand. Once you put the bolt on the top, they're both right hand thread. They'll obviously tighten each other up. Gaskets on. We went with a Chromatic MLS gasket for it. As you can see, there's still OEM piston. We got a spool rod with an ARP bolt on the bottom. Pistons are good for what we need to do. They're good for like up to 400, 500 horsepower. Obviously the rods and these things are the weak point, so replace the rods. But yeah, next stage for us is obviously we'll pull the balancer bolt off, get the timing cover on. You can see we've already done the balance shaft delete, the block offs, got the billet bracket, we had all that machined as well, so it sits nice and flush. New Welsh plugs, so she's basically ready to go now. Just need to put a timing cover on, fresh timing chain, I'm gonna put all fresh, like fresh water pump. Water pump's been rebuilt. So we're basically gonna put it back together. It should be good to go. So yeah, at the afternoon in the shed, got a bit done. Every hour counts. Yeah, you'll see that thing slowly come together. Body kit was ordered, so that's on its way now. I've been told about 8 to 10 weeks, and the body kit will arrive. We've gone with the C West style kit, so that'll be coming as well. So it's all sort of happening, you know. It's all coming together, and yeah, hopefully have it ready to go in the next sort of 2 months. I reckon that's sort of the goal. Got everything here for it now. Got the fuel pump, got the fuel regulator here now as well. Just need to get it all fitted. Spend a bit of time getting it all done. Maybe like a week, couple of weekends here and there, and we'll get her ready for paint and get her on the road.